Pete the cat saves the alphabet train.
Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
It's a sunny day and Pete's on his way with his bright red shoes and a big hooray. The alphabet train is ready to roll. Pete's feeling groovy, he's ready to go. Chugga chugga choo choo, down the track we zoom. Letters dance and bouncing, boom boom boom. A for apples, B for balloons, C for cake, oh what a tune. But then, uh-oh, the engine clunks. The alphabet train is stuck in a funk. Smoke is puffing, letters fall. Oh no, it's a wobbly stall. No fear, Pete the cat is here. Stay calm, stay cool, that's Pete's #1 rule. A golden key shines on the ground, bent and twisted, spinning around. Pete picks it up, gives it a look. We can fix it, let's write a new book. Callie brings tape, Grumpy gives a shove. Gus says, let's find a key we love. Together they try, they huff and puff, but the alphabet train is just too tough. Grab your bike, grab your board, zoom past the fields, race toward the old station down the lane. We're gonna save that train again. Work together side by side, zoom and zip and slip and slide. Teamwork makes it all okay. We're saving the alphabet today. Old dusty locker, creaky and wide, inside a key that shines with pride. Pete grabs it fast, gives a big cheer. We're gonna fix it, let's shift this gear. Pete slides the key, a twist and a click. The engine rumbles, it starts up quick. Chugga chugga choo choo roar. The alphabet train rolls once more. Letters laughing, bouncing bright. Kids are dancing left and right. Pete's the hero, calm and wise. A big blue medal, a sparkling prize. Through the town, past the trees, riding the alphabet on the breeze. Pete strums his guitar, sings with might. It's all good and it's alright.
Pete just smiled and said, "It's all good. Teamwork saved the day."